So this is pound dollar analysis for Tuesday, the 24th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where price may likely go. So we've seen price come towards this 31.47, a key level here on the pound against dollar. We also had a confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bearish move in sell side momentum return to market here on the pound against dollar. That's pretty much what we did see. We encountered 31.47 and 200 period average confluence, and what we have seen is a subsequent breakdown in prices. We've had price breakdown towards this 30.93 brief consolidation, and we have appeared to have broken the 30.93 to the downside. So if we can stay below 30.93, looking to target the 30.37. If there is momentum bringing us beyond 30.37, we're looking to target the 130, and if we do have volatility bringing us beyond the 130, of course the very next level of note would be a move down to possibly that 129.83 or that 129.60, our previous low just here before we did see the bullish band. So 129.83 or possibly that 129.60. Now if we do have a rather volatile day, we could possibly see a move down towards the 128.80, but I don't anticipate that happening. So I expect the far end of range to be in around, say that 129.50 or so here on the pound against the dollar. If we do find support in around 30.37, looking for a retest of 30.93. If we can break and hold 30.93, either from a test of 30.37 or from where we are at present, if we do see a move back above 30.93 and we do hold support 30.93, looking for to retest that area of confluence from which we have previously seen sell side momentum come into the market in around 31.47 with the added confluence of 200 period moving average. Successful break from which we're looking to target 31.93 while being aware of the 400 period moving average. And if we do see sufficient volatility bring us beyond 31.93, the very next levels of note is of course 32.20 and that 32.81 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on the pound against the dollar, from a daily chart perspective, we've had a rather sharp sell-off. We've had a pullback, retested the, what's that, 31.47 is it? We've encountered some resistance. We've seen this sell side momentum come back into the market. So we are not seeing that follow through to the upside. At present, the open to close range is still pretty narrow, so there remains a possibility of posting a somewhat higher low relative to our previous low and seeing a continued recovery to the upside here. But the overall trend prior has been to the downside and does appear to be a lot of bearish overhang here on the pound against the dollar. So we'll look to see if we do see more of a follow through today, or we will have another narrow range and would probably signal a more retracement rather than a realignment with the trend. And if it is a retracement in the coming days, we might see a move back above, say, that 31.47. We'll see how today develops, whether we can retake that 30.93 and see a recovery to the upside, or we'll see an acceleration momentum to the downside in alignment with the overall trend, which is to the downside on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.